Cadillacs driving in a slow parade. I kind of missed the beginning there, didn't I?
You're killing it.
Headlights shining bright in the middle of the day.
You can't hear me. I can say whatever I want right now.
One is for his wife, the other for the woman who loved him at night.
Oh dear.
Two black Cadillacs meeting for the first time. And the preacher said he was a good man. I can't hear a thing. And the brother said he was a good friend. But the woman in the two black veils, they didn't bother to cry.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, they took turns leaving a rose down, threw a handful of dirt into the deep ground. He's not the only one who had a secret to hide. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Wow, that's
like
really bad.
Sound more like NSYNC than Carrie Underwood.
Two black Cadillacs. All right, that's absolutely terrible. Absolutely horrible. Like, I had no sense of pitch there at all. I'm sure it showed. All right, I will put this back up so you can have it where I had it. And if you want to switch places,
all right,
come on over here and you could do this probably a lot better than me.
Ready for this? Here we go. Okay. All right. Can't hear anything. About to get blasted out with music. A little scared.
It's loud. Oh! It is loud.
I'm going to be deaf by the end of this show.
Here we go.
Two black Cadillacs driving in a slow parade. Headlights shining bright in the middle of the day. One is for his wife, the other for the woman who loved him at night. Two black Cadillacs meeting for the first time. Oh, and the preacher said he was a good man, and his brother said he was a good friend. And the woman in the two black veils didn't bother to cry.